Hello. First of all, thank you so much for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Vibha Patil. I lived in a Buldhana district from Maharashtra, and I had my BE in Electronics and Telecommunication from Amravati University. And I passed out in 2019. Then I worked in a Byju's as a sales and marketing. But genuinely, I don't want to continue my career in sales. So I decided to switch in IT company. So I search a lot, but unfortunately there is no success. So I decided to join the organization where I can update and upgrade myself. So I search a lot, and I heard about the Evision Technosoft Private Limited. It's an IT recruitment and consulting company. So I decided to join the job internship program, and I learned the real-time work experience where I can update and upgrade myself. And I learned the basics of networking. I learned about the Linux. I learned the Windows Administrator. I learned about the CCNA. It's a networking parts. And yes, there is a different trainer for different domain, like Mr. Tarun sir, Mr. Bibhushit sir, Rahul sir, Manu sir. Like I learned lots of things from this trainer, and they are very helpful to gain the knowledge. Like I learned the basics of networking, work group, domain, FTP. I learned about the remote access, Outlook, how to troubleshoot the Outlook, how to configure the Outlook, PST, OST, Office 365. I learned about the DHCP. I learned the WDS. I learned about the group policy object, group policy applications, ITIL, and in advanced networking we call it as a CCNA. I learned the static routing. I learned about RIP, OSPF, AIGRP. I learned the access point. I learned about WAN, NAT. I learned the VLAN, VTP, STP, like cabling, switching, routing, lots of things. Apart from this, I learned the cyber security as well, about the Wi-Fi hacking, like hacking, cyber security, lots of things. And yes, now I'm like much confident, like 80 to 90% confident on the concept I learned. In the past few weeks, we practiced for the interview as well. And whatever the concept I learned, they are real time relevant to the IT company. And because all of these, I'm much able to enhance my skills, my confidence as well, we can say. Like I learn about the networking as well, confident built as well. And now I give the same. I want to give my best to the real time interview, and crack on the first attempt, try to crack on the first attempt. And I give my best to the organization where I can join, and I assure that I complete the task on the given time on the organizations where I place. And yes, if I talk about my short-term goal, I want to be the place on the best company, and my long-term goal is to be I want to be the reputed position on that company. And if I talk about my hobbies, I love to make cooking videos, traveling. So this is about me. Thank you so much once again. Thank you.